Also, Porsche has been in the news today about an expansion of its classic business. And Pras, you spoke to Kjell, Gruner, the president and CEO of Porsche Cars North America. What did he have to say about this?
Yeah, Kjell Gruner, the Porsche U.S. CEO. So, they're investing in the classics business, but also before we get into that, I want to talk about the business right now. They had a crazy, great record 2022, right? So the question is that performance bleeding into 2023? Here's what Kjell had to say about that.
It was a record quarter. It was a record December. That shows you that we started this year with a lot of momentum. So the brand is very strong. The product pipeline is very fresh, very attractive. Our new cars, the Carrera T, the Dakar, has a great reception end of last year. At the LA Auto Show, the world premiere, a lot of momentum. And this year we will, for instance, get the new Cayenne, which will be super important for our business. So the brand has a lot of momentum. There's a lot of love for the brand. Both from our sides, we love what we do. Our dealer partners do that, and the customers as well.
So Porsche would have sold more cars like the Taycan EV if not for supply constraints, Gruner said.
All right. Well, Pras, Porsche is opening a new expanded Porsche Classic facility at its Atlanta headquarters. And can you tell us something about that?
Yeah. So, Porsche had a great year last year, but they know where their bread's buttered, right? It's the classic car business. They're enthusiast fans. They love these air-cooled Porsches. So they're investing in that business there to kind of assuage those fans. But, in a $50 million new facility there to refurbish and renovate these classic cars. But in order to really compete with this, to interact with these customers in a more one-on-one way. So here's what he had to say about that.
It comes from the core of the brand. It is something that we love. And then obviously it's always great when you do things that are also economically feasible, because that makes them sustainable. That means you can do them over time, and that also means you can invest in that. So you can see that with our extension of our campus here in Atlanta. So there we invest a lot into our classic business.
So he says it's sustainable, but the U.S. is Porsche's largest classic market, over 300,000 cars, and they sell 80,000 parts for those cars. So it's a business too.
It is, but when we talk about some of these older vehicles too, I just know I've had uncles tinkering in the driveway with these things. We're talking about a new era. There's just a lot more, infrastructure that people need to gear up for in the EV age. So Pras Subramanian, thank you for that.